Hey guys, I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if you could hear or tell, but I just read like the weather on my phone. It says severe thunderstorm, and believe it or not, a really loud crash of thunder just went. It was before I started uh, filming, but anyways, as you can tell, my two dogs right here, Corey, Sparky, are really scared. My other dog, over here, Tiny, she's not scared whatsoever. But these two are freaking out. Wherever I will go, they will follow. And I just got a text from my mom saying, "Hi, Brighton, are you okay?" Yes, I am. Yep, see. And I'm gonna go turn on some lights. I wasn't really planning on the whole fuck. It is fucking dark up here. I'm turning on these lights. I mean, fucking hell, dude. Light on. Here, this is my room. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I gotta go. I gotta text my mom telling her I am okay. Anyways, bye.